think in scenarios. So what kind of scenarios could we be thinking about? To me, there are three major scenarios that could unfold. Scenario number one, and that is, we're going to discuss first bullish scenarios here. And by bullish, I don't mean that we're in a bullish formation. As of today, currently, our bias is still down, okay? But within this bias down, we could have short-term rallies. We could have two types of rallies here. We could have rally number one, which I call kind of like a detour rally. Well, what do I mean by that? Well, let's imagine that we are stopping here at the point of the resistance. The rally, initial rally, does not have enough demand for us to push through this resistance. And then we are kind of going down, maybe like with one big bar to the downside, and then into the higher low. And then from there, we rally in a more significant way. Second rally, we are stubborn here, still bullishly stubborn, that is, grinding through this test as supply is diminishing and finding the way to kind of go and to grind through this several levels of the resistance. And in this way, we're looking for 1959 analog, where we're going to have some kind of higher high potential in this still a much larger distributional formation, where coming up we're going to have a capitulation again, so kind of like a summer rally. And scenario number three, based on 2008 analog, which is basically we come here and we create another local sign of weakness, and then we can't come up, and then we continue to go down. So this is a bearish scenario. So these are the three scenarios that we're looking at, and they could play some kind of a roadmap for us one way or another. And the key for us Wyckoffans is just to listen to the market, to be in the flow of the market. Do not listen to your thoughts. Most likely, they are going to be the thoughts associated with what you would like it to be, the market to be. That's not necessarily the truth of what is.
One of the overarching considerations of the period that we've just come through is the extreme negative sentiment. And, never underestimate the importance of extreme sentiment, especially negative, in the regard that we are subject to the influences of that sentiment.